Looking for the ultimate ski destination that won't break the bank? Welcome to Crested Butte Mountain Resort, Colorado's last great ski town. In this video, we'll uncover why this hidden gem is a must-visit. From its epic slopes and charming town, to the real costs of skiing, lodging, food, and transportation. Stick around because by the end, you'll know exactly how to plan your perfect mountain getaway. Let's kick things off with its location. Crested Butte is about 4 hours southwest of Denver and just 30 minutes from Gunnison Crested Butte Regional Airport. If you're flying in, shuttle services from the airport cost around $50 to $60 per person one way, making it a convenient option even if you don't have a car. Once you arrive, you'll feel like you've stepped into a snow-covered paradise. Now let's dive into what makes the skiing and snowboarding here so special. Crested Butte offers over 1,500 acres of terrain with runs for every skill level. Beginners can enjoy wide, gentle slopes to build their confidence, while intermediates will find plenty of varied terrain to explore. And for the adrenaline junkies out there, Crested Butte is famous for its steep runs and extreme terrain. Think thrilling black diamonds, technical chutes, and powder-filled bowls that will challenge even the most seasoned skiers. Lift tickets average between $140 to $160 per day for adults, but you can save by opting for multi-day passes or using an Epic Pass. Ski equipment rentals typically cost around $50 to $70 per day, so it's worth budgeting for that if you're not bringing your own gear. If skiing isn't your thing, don't worry, there's still plenty to do. Crested Butte offers snowshoeing, where you can wander through serene, snow-covered trails, or you can book a scenic sleigh ride for a magical experience. For the more adventurous, guided backcountry tours cost around $100 per person, and offer a chance to see untouched terrain and breathtaking mountain vistas. There's also ice climbing for those looking to try something completely different. And then there's the town of Crested Butte. This place has an old-school charm you don't find in larger resorts. With its colorful, Victorian-style buildings and friendly locals, the town feels warm and inviting. Elk Avenue is the main street, lined with shops, cafes, and restaurants that have their own unique character. Here's where things get interesting. Dining options range from casual eats like pizza and burgers, which cost about $15 to $20 per person, to fine dining with dishes crafted from locally sourced ingredients, where a full meal can run you $50 to $70 per person. Don't forget to try some of the locally brewed craft beers, which are a hit with both locals and visitors. Now let's talk lodging. Crested Butte has a wide variety of options to suit every budget. For a luxurious experience, ski-in, ski-out hotels like the Elevation Hotel and Spa start at about $300 per night. If you're looking to save, there are plenty of budget-friendly inns and Airbnb options with prices starting as low as $100 per night. Many of these places also offer discounts if you book early or during off-peak times. Transportation within the area is super convenient thanks to the free town shuttle that runs between Crested Butte and the resort. It's a great way to save on transportation costs while still being able to explore everything the area has to offer. Let's not forget the Après-Ski scene, which is an essential part of any ski trip. Crested Butte's Après-Ski vibe is more laid back than flashy, with cozy bars and lounges offering a chance to relax after a day on the slopes. Many places have happy hour specials with drinks starting at $5 to $8. It's the perfect opportunity to share your day's adventures with friends or make new ones. So, what makes Crested Butte stand out among Colorado's ski resorts? It's the perfect mix of world-class skiing, uncrowded slopes, a charming mountain town, and a warm, welcoming community. Add in its affordability compared to larger resorts and you've got a destination that's hard to beat. Alright, adventurers, that wraps up our guide to Crested Butte Mountain Resort. Start planning your trip today and get ready for the adventure of a lifetime. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the slopes.